of the one of the information girls, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Canva free account. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to this website, put it in your web browser, https://canva.com/login. After that, it's going to come up log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you're going to first need to come up with your email and a password, and then you're going to hit log in. So I have already made an account, so I'm going to just hit that. So now, as you can see, I am in Canva, and that account has been created. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a profile picture. Instead of it being MR, I'm going to click this right here where you see the little photo come up. I'm going to click that. Then I'm just going to find a picture that I want to replace that with. Here we go. Here's a picture. And I'm going to click open. And we're waiting for that to work. So now that that's done, now that I have a picture, I have created a free account, and the next thing you're going to do is create a design, and that will be on my next tutorial. I will be showing you how to create a YouTube free thumbnail using this Canva account. So stay tuned. I am Marlene, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads or live streams. And I thank you so much for watching. And as I always say, just know it, just breathe it, and be it. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.